A Freecash tournament bracket can appear stuck even when your account is still working normally. So check the tournament status and your account activity before assuming your entry or progress is lost. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the bracket, verify your progress, check the offer or tournament requirements, and decide when contacting Freecash support makes sense. Start by closing the Freecash tournament page completely and reopening it. If the bracket is showing an old position, a fresh page load can display the latest available information. If you're using Freecash in a browser, refresh the page and sign in again if necessary. If you're using the mobile app, completely close the app, reopen it, and check the tournament again. Next, check your tournament entry details. Look for the tournament you're participating in and confirm that your account is showing the correct event. If multiple tournaments or promotions are available, make sure you're looking at the same one where you originally entered. Then check your activity or reward history. If you completed an action that should affect your tournament position, verify whether Freecash recorded that activity. A bracket that hasn't changed is different from an activity that hasn't been credited. Don't repeat an offer or action just because the tournament bracket hasn't updated. If the original activity is already recorded, completing it again may not solve the display problem. Also check the tournament's rules and progress requirements. Some competitions only update rankings after qualifying activity has been processed. If your action is still being reviewed or hasn't been credited, the bracket may not immediately reflect it. If the bracket is stuck, but your qualifying activity appears correctly in your account, take a screenshot of the tournament page and your activity history. These two screens can help identify whether the problem is the bracket display or the underlying account activity. If you're using a browser, try opening Freecash in a different supported browser after refreshing the original one. This can help determine whether the issue is limited to the browser session. Avoid clearing account information or creating another Freecash account to fix a tournament display problem. Keep your original account and preserve the activity connected to the tournament. If the bracket remains unchanged after refreshing and your qualifying activity is clearly recorded, contact Freecash support. Tell them the tournament name, explain what progress is missing, and provide screenshots showing your qualifying activity and the stuck bracket. The key checks are simple: refresh the tournament page, confirm the correct event, verify your qualifying activity, and don't repeat completed actions just because the bracket hasn't changed. Your next step is to open the tournament again and compare the bracket with your Freecash activity history. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, tournament troubleshooting, and reward guides.